So we are back at the beach that we were at yesterday, and none of us are wearing sandals except for my dad. So we're all just awkwardly waddling. And then Alex is over there. So this is, yeah, we're back by the sewage. Oh, did you touch it? Oh. What were you saying about the sand?
This is sand because people, how do you say that? Man put the sand over here, but that is like sediment from soil.
It's supposed to be.
That's why it's got the brown color looking marsh.
And then this is all white.
Look at this. Look. I'm gonna it's sand mixed with dirt.
And poop.
Well,
I hope not. It's not disgusting.
Oh.
It's not always poop, but okay.
Did it smell over there or not? Did it smell?
I'm wearing a mask.
That looks weird.
The one that's making the water dark.
Black sand.
God damn, water fell on top of my eye.
Don't mind my dad just walking on this little sewage pipes. It's okay. Oh god, this is... Okay, I need to show y'all the hermit crabs now. Wait, where are they? Where are they? Where are they?
On that thing. Oh yeah, smell over here.
Oh god, they found the smell.
See those shells right there? That's the hermit crab.
Alex, come over here.
Here, there's another
Tell
one.
Alex to come over here and show me that does not smell like poop over here.
Oh, it's so nasty. Ew, why are you touching that? Why are y'all touching things?
That's a big one.
Is there something in it?
Yeah. All over.
That's a shell.
There's some of that sea jelly.
Wait, hold on.
Look, parkour.
Oh yeah, it's in there.
See?
That sea jelly.
That's that stuff we
I don't
saw.
know what that is. Alex, do you know what this is? It's like this clear, like jelly stuff.
Ugh, what the heck?
Jellyfish.
Hmm.
Alex, camina para acá y dime que no huele a mierda, por favor.
Jellyfish. What's this jelly thing? It's a jelly. Yeah. It can only be two things: jellyfish and octopus.
Do you want to dive in?
What? Sorry. Show someone something that smells like poop.
Wait, say it again.
I said I've never seen someone so excited to show someone else something that smells like poop.
Oh god, it's starting to smell so bad. Oh god, we've concluded that Biloxi is just the Lake Charles version of Mississippi. So we really just went from one Lake Charles to another, because the actual Lake Charles is like, I think, poisonous, and like if you go into that water you're gonna grow 6 extra limbs and have superpowers and stuff. That's how gross it is in the water, because everything drains from the plants and stuff. So that water's super toxic. Like you can't even eat more than 2 fish from that lake a year, and that's if you're a healthy young man, like in like the age 25. But other than that, it's not advised to eat that fish anyway. So I feel like this is probably something very similar. because it's horrible. But yeah, so this is the coastline of the Gulf of Mexico. All of this is actually man-made. Oh my god. So this is the longest, I keep tripping. This is the longest man-made beach, I believe, in the whole country. It goes from, I don't know, Biloxi to like a part in like Alabama or something, I don't know. But basically, what my dad was saying is that the brown part right here is actually like natural. What? Is actually natural, but then this sand right here is man-made and like man-put. That's why it's so much whiter and why people think it looks good, but then of course you're by the sewage, so it smells horrible. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty. It's just not what I covered, sorry guys, I covered the mic again. But it's not what I would consider a nice beach. But they called me over, so let's see what they want. What?
It's exploded.
What?
The jellyfish.
So I haven't heard much else about Lake Charles. I know that there's some parts of my high school that got destroyed. And I know a lot of people are going back. There's still no water or anything, so that sucks. Right?
Yeah, look at me. Yeah, look at me.
It's not looking at you.
How many miles is it? 26 miles?
I think so. 26 or 40.
Oh, and I just got dog called. So not even cat called, because the guy woofed at me, barked.
No.
So that's what happened just now. But I actually turned on the camera to say something else and I forgot.
Square up, bro. Square up, bro. Square up, bro. Hey. Square up, bro. Square up, bro.
Got the chart. Oh, but then they got an elevator.
We're gonna have to get a bigger boat. You heard? Looks like we're gonna have to get a bigger boat. Hey, we're about to leave you. Leave them. We only got 20 minutes.
I didn't even
Can you see it again?
Oh, that was quick. Oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry.
Now I'm not scared.
It smells so good in here. All these desserts over here.
It's too good. Hey, who wants a baby shark?
No. For real? I've seen them before, yeah. They are real. You're right.
They're real.
What do you mean they're real?
Real baby shark.
Oh, that boat is nice.
Yeah, it says not for sale.
Man, they're for real selling everything.
That is kind of gross.
Oh, wait.
That's cool.
So what's it in it? What's in?
They're just shoving it in with the head. Nobody.
It's probably like a what they keep the frogs in science class, you know.
Yeah.
Poor baby shark just
So
wanted
what's
to
this?
grow.
An earring?
I want to shake it.
Don't do it.
Where's that SpongeBob?
Put it back. Put it back. I love how it looks like the shells are like pets or something. Oh my god, wait, they're alive.
Yeah, look how big they are.
Wait, why'd you just pick it up? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Oh, these are hermit crabs.
Oh,
I feel bad for them.
I was like, it's crazy how they look like they're pets. Oh, like
Yeah, lots
these
of
are
brown
painted.
Yeah.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Or well, they said they may pinch.
Are they got live ones over here?
Do not drop them.
I'm not.
You know, it's actually very cruel that they paint them.
That one.
Yeah. Why would you pick one? I wouldn't. Why?
Yeah, you know the answer.
To have
Kids think they're cute.
Outside we walk.
Oh yeah. And they're everywhere.
Well, these are painted, even though this is
You
very
can do that
cruel.
yourself.
Yeah, but these aren't afraid
I
of
know.
You shouldn't do that. You wanna know why? Because they're gonna outgrow the shell. And you're not gonna find a girl for them to swap around.
But still, that's just so. It's just very inhumane. That's sad.
Yeah. We should grab them all and put them in our pockets and release them.
They would all die immediately.
I'm scared to pick it up because I don't want it to pinch me.
Then stop picking it up. Está bien.
I'm not gonna kill it. I might eat it. Just kidding.
That one is huge. That one is like hanging on the tree. Yo, this is cool.
Oh, those things. It's very unsanitary. It must be forward.
Yeah, remind me to give y'all Dermax and stuff. Look at that!
Okay.
That's your sign for your,
No, déjame decirte la verdad que no chequeé, se me olvidó. Esto, déjame llamarte para atrás y yo verifico rápido.
By the way, it started smelling really bad outside, so that's not. Okay, so I don't know how much time I have by myself right now, but I'm currently uploading another vlog, and I'm in the middle of a staircase because there is absolutely no way to just get some privacy. But it is really annoying going online and seeing so many people with large platforms not talking about Lake Charles. And I saw some tweets that were like, well, if this would have happened in New Orleans, like it would have been all over the internet, like people would be throwing millions of dollars and this and that and blah blah blah. So it's just really frustrating knowing that only the people in Southwest Louisiana are helping the people in Southwest Louisiana and are really the only people that care about Lake Charles. And I know there's outside people that are helping and caring. I know Charlie D'Amelio tweeted about Texas and Louisiana. I just mean, for the most part, I mean, it was like the worst hurricane in like 150 years. And it demolished Lake Charles, and the fact that it's not being talked about more is incredibly disappointing. And there's so much confusion and uncertainty from my end, and so I don't even know how I can help or how I can get people to help. But at least some exposure or something could ease some people's minds. I saw a video of my house just a couple minutes ago, and some of the siding is off, some of the shingles flew off all around the house. The fence is completely gone. We don't have a fence anymore. Our AC unit got pushed off a little bit, and our basketball goal moved to another side of the yard. And yeah, that was pretty much all the damage. So I am so blessed and grateful that my house was able to stand up to that horrible storm and that there was no trees that fell on it. But unfortunately, there are hundreds of thousands of people, probably close to a million people, that are without power, without a home, without jobs, and there's no gas, water, electricity. So there's a lot of things that make Lake Charles uninhabitable right now, and there's still people there risking their lives and giving their time and money and efforts and everything to Lake Charles for nothing in return, just for the kindness of their heart. To those people, I'm super grateful and blessed for. And so yeah, it's just really hard, and it feels bad, horrible, knowing that I'm in the luxury of being in a motel while others don't have that luxury, and that I have running water and an AC and things like that. But a lot of people don't, and that's horrible. A lot of people lost family members either in the hurricane or because of the hurricane. And that weighs heavy on anyone's heart. So yeah, it's been rough. It's been rough in my heart and in my mind. I know that physical damage hasn't affected me directly because my house is fine. But emotionally, it's hard to wrap my head around. I was grateful that I was only 5 years old when Rita happened, so I don't remember or wasn't really affected by it much. But now I'm 20 years old and my university is destroyed, my high school is a mess, my neighborhood is a mess, my city is a mess. And the president has the audacity to joke about the Capital One building. Don't quite understand that one. It's not like he just insulted the entire city of Lake Charles, but it's fine. But yeah, if you see a post about Lake Charles, a GoFundMe, a place where you can donate or anything like that, please, first of all, send it my way so I can send it out to more people and put it in my next vlog. And secondly, perhaps think about doing something, donating something, giving your time if you're able to, because this is big. This is hard for anyone to go through. And yeah, it's just rough. So it feels weird. I guess it just feels weird that I can't be there physically to help, and that I don't have the financial means to help or to donate, because I was affected too. So it's really hard to get my club to wrap around how to get my club to help ourselves and our own families. Because usually we help others, other people, other cities who were affected by other things that we weren't. So it's hard to think about that because we can't help much. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to figure something out tomorrow, and just think about it tonight and figure out what you can do. But it's a lot. It's hard. But you know, you just gotta move forward and just think about how everyone is coming together and being united. But yeah. So please do something that will make you happy today. Whether it's going to the beach, watching an episode of Sherlock, eating greasy pizza, whatever it is, be sure to do something that will make you happy. Whether it's tonight, tomorrow morning, or in the afternoon, just be sure to do something that makes you happy. God knows we need some positivity and happiness in our lives now. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Okay, bye.